Yes, why? I do not know, but no joy comes to me from it. May she not at all know the branch that grows in me, from the ill that has bound and captured me. I do not think the sorrow ever leaves me peace, but she can make medicine for me from it. And will she do it for me? No, why? It does not please her, and for nothing else does she refrain. He did me great harm who portrayed her to me, but the ill, if it please God, will be good to me. For the more a great joy is desired, the more it is worth, even when it drags on longer. I have said much that is foolish, and why? Perhaps much later I shall have mercy for it. 2 years and more I have awaited the gift that was promised and pledged to me, but now I know one feeds many fools, as the proverb says with flour. I have waited long, and why? May God grant great good in a little time. I surrender myself to my lady, though she betrays me. And the ills that are, she does not do them at all. And he lies who recounts them to me. Rather she is toward me pure and fine. He is a fool who speaks ill of her to me. Why? For even if it is true, I do not believe it. Now I am gayer than I usually am, for I have sent word there where she is, that she draws so near to me that she kiss me. Rather I know if she comes in secret. I have done great pride. Why? For I have sent word that she should come to me. Done pride. I have no reason she should dare better to come to me.